If you like, please help to click like, subscribe and alarm for notify new video.
Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about the double switch here. This is the model that I write it and post it on the thingiverse.com. You can find it in the description of this video on YouTube. Okay, it's suitable for the double switch that you can buy. This double switch at the AliExpress. It is the general double switch. And use one to control two. Okay, and I put it on this very tight. And I want to teach you how to assemble the servo motor SG92R in it, and how to control it by use the ESP8266. This model. This comes from the DIY mall. I use this model because I found it on the Masterbiz Mini. It uses this board to use it. It's easy because of you see that it has the pin that it has a 3 set of pin. It has the signal, voltage and ground in each pin. That means that we can connect the cable easily from the servo motor or from the any I/O on it. Okay, and how to use it? I cannot use the Masterbiz program. It's too hard for me for understand. So I try to use my familiar platform. It's called Tasmota. I used it for 2 or 3 years ago. Now it's version 15 already. It's very good for IoT application. And now LockSlave is support MQTT. That means it is IoT. So I select it Tasmota to use for control the switch. Really, it can control the train also. I will talk about this later. Okay, how to do is okay. Firstly, connect the ESP to the computer and go to the tasmota.github.com.io/install. You will come to the installing page. You select the version of your language or normally English, and just connect. Use the COM port to connect. Okay, now it's COM4 and go to the install. Elect device and go next install. It takes time about 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. Okay. Platform Tasmota is easy for understand and easy for who is not familiar with the programming. You don't need to program anything, just only the config. So it's very easy for you. Okay, just wait a minute. Done. Install complete. Select next. And next is configure the Wi-Fi. You can configure the Wi-Fi. Use the BlueSea. I can use the SkyHigh. Password. Connect. After set it, the device is ready to use now. Okay, visit device. This is the first page of the task motor. It can control toggle on off. This is the simple. But the firstly that you need to do is configuration. And the next one is about the module. Please select the generic module. Okay, save. And go to main menu again. Wait a minute. Okay, now the button is disappear. You can go to the configuration again and go to the module. Now you have the pin, every pin that you can use now. If you see on the device, this have the pin D1, D2, D3, D4 in this side that I connect to the pin out, and this left side I connect to the D0, D5, D6, D7 for the left side. Yeah. Okay, so I can connect this to the servo motor. Okay, on the top of the pin is connect to the signal. The middle is the voltage, and the last one is the ground. So it's like this. And on the servo motor, the ground is the brown color, and the signal is the yellow color, and orange color in the middle is the voltage. We can connect directly like this. Okay, but before I connect, I need to configure it first. Example, I want to connect to the D1. So select the D1 here. And what do you want to use? Is a servo, right? Servo is the PWM. Okay. You can set the PWM1. Save. Yes. Okay. Let it reboot. After we set the PWM at pin D1 already, now it on the first page of task motor will show the slide bar. We want to remove it. Okay, console to console and set option 15. Okay, normally in console, if you send only the command, it will show the answer. Now status is on, so I want to off it by set option 15 to be 0. Okay, now it's off. And if you go back to the main menu, okay, the slide bar will be removed. Go back to console again. Please try the command PWM frequency. Now it's 927. For frequency that we use for servo motor, we will use the frequency about 50. PWM frequency 50. Okay, and after that you can try to connect the servo motor to the D1 pin. Remember, the yellow is on the top. Okay, for this. This servo motor is SG92R. It can control 180 degrees. Okay. Okay, the command for control is PWM. If like this, it will show that how many PWM that you have. Now we set only 1 point. So if you set PWM1 to
180 degree.
the command, it should be 120. Don't ask me why. You can see more detail in the internet. Okay, this is the angle of the servo motor is like this. And if you set PWM1 to 0 degree, but it will be 20. So that means it cannot control more than this or less than this. It will active between 20 to 120. Example, I try to control PWM1 to 0 again. It not have any occur. If I set PWM1 to 150, it not have any action. Okay, so it will be like this. And the angle that we need to use is the PWM1 to about the 25 will be good for startup. 25 is same like this. This is the angle that I want to use. Is about the, if the servo is like this, it will left or right a little bit, right? So I set on this, like this, the angle. This is we set the 25, and another angle that we want is PWM1 46. Okay, it will be like this. So it's very small angle on this for use. If you finish to set, okay, next one is remove it. Put the cable in the hole of the 3D printing. It have a hole for cable here. Pull it and put the servo down. Okay, until it fit. And on the top, it have the lock of the servo. So you see the side, this side, and put it across it. Okay, and just now it's on this side. So I put here for easy. And connect to D1. Okay, just this. And now we can try to control it. PWM1 25, PWM1 46. Okay, the result will be like this. PWM1 25, PWM1 46. Okay, this is the result. And it's very tight. Okay, you can tie by yourself. Another thing that I want to recommend you, if you heard the sound from the servo motor is like this, that means you control is too much. Example, now you control PWM1 is 46, right? And PWM1 is 25. But you see that 25 is also have sound, 46 also have sound. You can try to reduce it like PWM1 40. Now you will not hurt the sound. And for PWM1 25, PWM125. It have a cell that is mean too much. PWM140 first and PWM1 change the parameter maybe 30. Okay, now it's quiet and it's action, so it's okay, perfect. Okay, next, how to control from the MQTT. We need to configuration and the MQTT here. You need to set the MQTT broker. Now we set on this my IP. Depend on your IP, where is your MQTT broker. The user and password you can leave it because my MQTT is not needed, but if you want, you need to set it. And the topic is the name of this. I can set the controller 1. Okay, save it. Put main menu. Okay, after the device connect to the MQTT, it will show here. I can test by use the Nulet. Okay, create a new folder. Here about the MQTT out here, and can put the controller. This is the topic that you want to control it. It start by the command cmnd command. The next one is the name of your task nota that I set the controller 1, and the next one is about the command. Normally we use the PWM1 to control it. Yes, like that. Okay, done. And we try to easy for test by use the inject. Okay, I will inject two things about the 30. Okay, and 40. Okay, to be the payload. Connect to this and deploy. Okay, now you can control it by use the MQTT. 30, 40, 30, 40. Just only that. And the question, how to control by use the log rails? You just get the command from the log rail and send it to this switch by your function, something like that. Okay, I think today is make you understand more about my project. Thank you.